Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the ultimate artichoke recipe that everyone's been raving about. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a recipe that's been on my bucket list for a while now, the ultimate artichoke recipe you need to make. This dish is a game changer, and once you try it, you'll understand why it's gone viral. When it comes to artichokes, many of us can be a bit intimidated by their prickly exterior and unsure of how to tackle them. One of the biggest challenges people face is cleaning and preparing artichokes properly, which can be a bit of a mystery. You might have tried to cook them before, only to end up with a bland, tough, or even mushy texture. Another common issue is figuring out how to get to the heart of the artichoke, where all the tender, fleshy goodness is hiding. It can be a bit of a puzzle, and it's easy to get discouraged and give up. But the truth is, artichokes are actually quite simple to work with once you know the secrets. And today, I'm going to share those secrets with you, so you can enjoy this incredible ingredient in all its glory. So, let's dive into the recipe. To start, you'll need a few simple ingredients, including fresh artichokes, olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and some breadcrumbs. Don't worry too much about the quantities, we'll get to that in a minute. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, let's prep our artichokes. Begin by cutting off the stems and removing the tough, fibrous outer leaves. You can use a pair of kitchen shears or simply pinch the leaves and pull them off. Next, you'll want to scrape out the fuzzy choke from the center of the artichoke using a spoon. Don't worry if it gets a bit messy, this is the most important part. Now, let's talk about the cooking process. Place the artichokes in a baking dish, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with minced garlic. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the top, and don't forget to add those breadcrumbs for an extra crunchy texture. Place the dish in the oven and roast for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the artichokes are tender and caramelized. You'll know they're done when the leaves pull off easily and the centers are soft and fleshy. And there you have it, the most incredible, vibrant, and mouth-watering artichoke dish you've ever laid eyes on. The colors are stunning, the texture is sublime, and the flavors are absolutely explosive. When you take your first bite, the tender artichoke heart will melt in your mouth, coated in that rich, savory sauce. It's an experience you won't soon forget, and it's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. So, let's recap the main steps we took to create this culinary masterpiece. We prepped our artichokes, cooked them to perfection, and added a few simple ingredients to bring out their natural flavors. Today's recipe is a testament to the fact that cooking doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. With a few simple techniques and some fresh ingredients, you can create a dish that's truly show-stopping. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and see how your dishes turn out. And if you want more delicious recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've got plenty more where this came from.